Hey everyone, today I'll walk you through how to change your Meta Business Suite name. Head to business.facebook.com and log in. You'll see the central hub for managing your Facebook and Instagram assets. If you manage multiple business accounts, use the drop-down menu at the top left to select the correct one. Look at the bottom left corner of your screen, click the settings option with the gear icon next to it. The settings menu will open up. In the settings menu, click on Page Settings. This will redirect you to the classic settings page for your Facebook page. You'll see the general page settings section. The very first option is your page's current name with an edit link on the far right. Click that edit link. A box will pop up showing your current page name and a field where you can enter your new page name. Type your new name into the new page name field. Remember Meta's naming guidelines: no all caps, no symbols like the registered trademark sign, and no variations of Facebook or Meta in the name. Once you've entered the new name, click the blue Request Change button. Meta will show you a notice explaining the review process and linking to their full naming guidelines. Your name change request will go into review. For small changes, you'll usually get approved within a few minutes. Bigger changes can take up to 3 business days. Once it's approved, Meta automatically notifies your followers that the page name's been updated and you won't be able to change it again for 7 days. Here's a useful tip. Changing your page name doesn't affect your username. If you want those to match, you'll need to update your username separately. Also, if you manage multiple pages, make sure you've selected the correct one before starting the drop-down at the top of the suite lets you switch between them. And if your name change gets rejected, check Meta's naming guidelines to see what rule you might have violated. Usually it's the all caps rule or an unauthorized use of official. That's it. You're all set.